They say polar bears avoid humans, but last winter, one didn't. It was the middle of an Arctic storm. Temperatures were life-threatening. She was standing outside a research cabin, and she was holding her baby. The cub wasn't moving much. The cold was winning. Inside, the scientist froze, not from the cold, but from the moment. The bear set her cub down and stepped back. The door opened. Warmth came out. The cub started to move again. The mother didn't look away. When the storm passed, she left, back onto thinning ice. When wild animals ask for help, we should probably listen.